Brake pads are a necessary safety component, which is why you should be sure that you're using the best car brake pads for your vehicle. While the OEM brake pads included with your car are likely adequate, all car brake pads wear down over time. The article below can help you with your research once it's time to find replacement brake pads. Brake pads can be specific to the vehicle, which means there are no best car brake pads for everyone. You'll want to be sure you pick a brand that works with your particular car and driving conditions. Based on our research, we think the following are good products and a place to start any search for a new set of brake pads. There are many products to choose best car brake pads, all with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I conducted extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best car brake pads from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can find out more about the price and other details in my description, so let's jump right into the video. Number 1. PowerStop Truck and Tow Front Brake Pads. PowerStop C36 brake pads are designed for heavy-duty vehicles, like trucks. They have chamfered slots to reduce noise, and a powder-coated backing plate to prevent rust and corrosion. The brake pads also come with grease and hardware for installation. If you don't like their braking performance within the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, you can contact the company for replacements. Over 350 Amazon customers gave this product a score of 4.6 stars out of 5. 92% of reviews rate the product 4 or more stars. Customers say these brake pads work better than the ones they normally bought from their local auto parts store, especially when it comes to reducing the amount of brake dust. Some customers have issues with the clips arriving broken. When they asked for a replacement, the replacement set also had broken clips. Number 2. PowerStop Performance Brake Pad. This is another set of brake pads from PowerStop that is meant for high-performance vehicles, rather than heavy-duty trucks. These brake pads contain similar technology to the other PowerStop set, which promotes faster, noise-free braking, and prevents rust and corrosion. Like with the Z36 model, you get brake grease, stainless steel hardware, and a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty. This product has an average Amazon score of 4.8 stars, based on more than 590 reviews. 95% of reviews rate the product 4 or more stars. Customers say that these fit like the original brake pads for their car, but are much quieter and produce less brake dust. Some customers say that the pins that come with the kit don't work well, so you're better off saving the pins from your previous set and reusing those. There are some complaints from customers who received the wrong parts or didn't receive the entire kit, which is a similar complaint to the other PowerStop brake pads. This suggests that the company has a poor packaging process that may result in packing errors. Number 3. Bosch BC905 QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pad. Bosch is a great brand for the environmentally conscious driver. Most brake pads contain copper, which has been proven to be harmful to the environment. However, Bosch's QuietCast pads are copper-free. These brake pads also produce little noise and brake dust, and have a longer life due to their rust and corrosion resistance. More than 2,300 Amazon customers reviewed this product, giving it a score of 4.6 stars out of 5. 90% of reviewers rate the product 4 or more stars. Customers say that these brake pads work best when paired with Bosch's QuietCast rotors. With the noise-reducing technology on both the pads and rotors, users can't hear braking at all. These are some of the best car brake pads for silent driving. Several customers complained that Bosch and Amazon claimed these pads would fit their car, but they didn't. Number 4. Wagner Thermo Quiet Front Ceramic Disc Pad Set with Hardware. This ceramic brake set acts as a replacement for your disc brake pads in the front of your vehicle. They dissipate heat, which decreases brake fade and increases friction and braking power. These car brake pads also create a smoother ride with less sound and vibration. The Wagner Thermo Quiet brake pads also come as a kit with all of the necessary stainless steel hardware needed for installation. More than 550 Amazon customers reviewed these brake pads, and give it an average score of 4.5 stars out of 5. 90% of reviews rate the product 4 or more stars. Customers like these brake pads because they come from a trusted car brand. Reviewers say that these brake pads come with all of the necessary hardware for installation, and after installation, braking is smooth and quiet. Some customers complain about the brake pads not fitting their vehicles, and others say that they make a squeaking noise. Number 5. PowerStop C16 Evolution without hardware. Intended for experienced mechanics who know how to identify reusable shims and wear indicators, this set of brake pads represents an excellent value for those who only need pads, not associated hardware or lubricants, which this set does not include. These entry-level ceramic pads can still be a good value buy for people who will bring their pads to a mechanic, as any well-stocked brake specialist should have the extra hardware on the shelf. Inexpensive no-frills pad set for the skilled mechanic, high quality for this product, and available for a wide variety of vehicles. The brake pads you purchase must be designed for your vehicle's make, model, and year. You can read the description of the brake pads to see if your car is listed, or you can input your vehicle's information into the window that pops up on Amazon, and Amazon will tell you if the pads work for your car. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribers to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will